welcome to Chef Cam's Kitchen, and today I'm going to teach you how to make cracked potatoes. First, you'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you'll want to get your ingredients ready. I wanted to bring all the ingredients with me, but most of them need to be refrigerated or frozen, so I was only able to bring one. But the ingredients you'll need will be 2 16-ounce containers of sour cream, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1.5 cups of cooked chopped bacon, 2 1-ounce packages of ranch dressing mix, and 1 32-ounce bag of shredded hash browns. Once you're done getting your ingredients, you'll want to mix the sour cream, cheddar cheese, bacon, and ranch dressing mix together really well, and then you'll want to add in the hash browns and mix. Once you've mixed together all of your ingredients, you'll want to pour it into a pan and put it in the oven uncovered for 45 to 60 minutes. Finally, you'll want to enjoy and eat up. A couple of quick notes is that you can actually prepare this and then put it in a pan and cover it with aluminum foil or saran wrap and then freeze it to use at a later date. And if you're worried about your calorie count, you can always use a light sour cream or turkey bacon to help lower the calories. Thanks for watching my tutorial and hope you cook cracked potatoes. Bye!